Hey guys, it's Erica, and right now I am at a Home Depot with the best selection of indoor plants that I have ever seen. So I'm gonna give you guys a full, thorough tour of this place so you can see what they got. Here we are at their indoor plant section. Have you ever seen this setup in any Home Depot? So they have their golden pothos here. They have some philodendrons. How much are these? These are $19.98, and this is a really big size. Look how big this leaf is. These are $10.98, and the bigger ones here are $14.98. Up here you can see their red Marantas for $7.98. There are a whole bunch of them everywhere. Over here they got some ivies. These are $16.98. Soft Charlie. This is $7.98. Down here they have their Tradescantias for $16.98. These look to be in okay health, pretty good compared to different Home Depots that I've seen. And they have their Philodendron Brazils as well as just the non-variegated philodendrons. Let's see how much this one is. $19.98. Some more golden pothos. They even have a nepenthes here. It only has one little jug, but that's okay. So this one is $16.98. I think this is the cheapest that I've seen one of these plants. Usually they sell for $20, so it's not that much of a difference, but this one is pretty big. Oops. Some more ferns up here, $10.98. Curly spider plant for $16.98. This is pretty big. Oh, these are cool. So this is a Stapelia. I've never heard of this before, but this is so gorgeous. This is $19.98. Oh my goodness. This is so cute. I really want one of these. But I'm gonna put it back. It's so heavy. I feel like it has a lot of water in it. Let's see. Some Dracaenas. Over here, some more ivies. They all have different variegations. Syngonium. This one has its price crossed out, but it said $6.98. What's going on? This one here is trailing already. I don't know why they have their prices crossed out. That's... oh! I thought I dropped it. It's a little weird. Here they have some lipstick plants. You really don't usually see these in big box stores. So these are $10.98. And they're so beautiful. This one has smaller leaves than this one. This one has more succulent-like leaves. So purple star lipstick plant. I'm assuming they're all the same kind of lipstick plant. They got some more Brazils here. Like I said, different variegations of ivy. I forgot what this is called. This is a non-variegated version. Some more spider plants. They have the 3 different kinds. This one, kind of less variegated. Or I guess this one is the inverted variegation of this one. So let's... this one has white on the outside. This one has green on the outside. And then there's this one that has pretty much all green. These are all $7.98. Maybe this is crossed out because it's $7. I have no idea why these prices are crossed out. Oh, I didn't show you this fern over here. Let's look on the inside of it. Ooh, fuzzies. They disturb me, little fuzzies. This is 1998. Blue Star. That's really cool, right? Let me hang it back up. Oop. Continuing on, there's some more Marantas. Some bigger than others. They all look like they're in very good health right now. Probably just restocked because this thing is full. Oh, look at this. Look how gorgeous the Scindapsus pictus is. It has so much silver in it. It just is so gorgeous for $10.98. I don't think I've ever seen this in a Home Depot. I haven't seen these lipstick plants in a Home Depot. I've probably seen Marantas, but usually they're not looking too hot since they do need quite a bit more attention. Here's another variegation of ivy. I'm just really shocked to see those Scindapsus. They look so good. Of course, you have Anthuriums. These are $9.88. Just the regular red ones that you see everywhere. Hydrangeas. And then here is the big Dracaena section. So this is a Hawaiian Dracaena for $44.98. Look at these pretty, pretty leaves. And then here, this is a very neon Dracaena. And this is only $24.98. It's called a Limelight Dracaena. $24.98 for this big plant. I think that's pretty good. Here, these are called Mesangiana canes. Ooh, oxygen. Let's see how much they are. These are $25 also. Cool. More Hawaiian Dracaenas. $44 for these. One of these is not a Hawaiian Dracaena. Because they are both different. I'll put the correct names under each one. Marginata. These are just getting bigger and bigger. I feel like I'm walking through a forest. See, we have this big snake plant here. This is $44. It's really big. There are a lot of little snake plants in there. It's very full. We have another Dracaena. This one has beautiful pink outer edges. Marginata in helix pot, $24.98. Some Sansevieria cylindrica for $34.98. Have an Aglaeonema here, Calypso, for $39.98. So gorgeous. This is a really full plant also. And you guys, look above us at these massive, these are so massive. These are like 10 feet tall, probably bigger. They're absolutely ginormous. These are, oh my gosh. Okay, so this shorter one here is only $100, but let's see what one of these big monsters cost. Okay, I think you guys are gonna be shocked at the price of these giant ones. They're only $149. They are so massive. I don't think I've ever seen a Fiddle Leaf Fig this big for sale before, and this is only $150. I've seen way smaller ones cost that much. That's amazing. We've got the little palm section, more Dracaenas and snake plants. Some ZZs. These are $39.98. Of course, really easy to care for. Really gorgeous plants. Another Aglaeonema here. This is a Juliette for $39.98. And then over here, we have a lot of Crotons with their beautiful autumn leaves. This is a Mojave Croton for $19.98. So full and gorgeous. Little baby Anthurium, some more Pothos. Some ferns over here. Maidenhair. These are the medallions for $12.98. But they have kind of the little rosy tint. I don't remember what those are called. I'll write it down. Some more Crotons, $12.98. Snake plants, peace lilies. They're $12.98. Little bromeliads, air plants, $7.98. I like how these are set up. They have their little name on their tag. I haven't seen Calatheas labeled like this. That is so helpful. Very cute. Some more Dracaenas. Ooh, you got the pink Aglaeonemas down here. $24.98. So gorgeous. Had a nice little pop of color. This is a dumb cane. I can't remember the name right now. Let's see if it says on here. Dieffenbachia. There we go. This one is $4.98. Camille. And then there are a whole bunch of little beautiful, gorgeous 4-inch Pothos. These are called, oh my gosh, I'm blanking on so many names right now. Marble Queen, there we go. And these are $4.98. So pretty. Got another silver Bay Aglaeonema. I don't think this one has a price on it. Crotons. Some more Dieffenbachias. This one is $19.98. It's in a bigger pot. Just overall so pretty. This is definitely the best Home Depot that I've seen, with an amazing plant section. Some, maybe these are bird's nest ferns? Green flame fern. Over on this side, we have our little polka dot plants, African violets, and then of course, Thanksgiving cacti. I'm gonna be so sad once these are no longer being sold in stores because they're so beautiful. Their blooms are absolutely gorgeous. And that's about it. Some bromeliads, snake plants over there, little baby fiddle leaves. Yep. So that is it for the tour. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you have a better Home Depot, let me know in the comments down below. And thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye!